I love Mississippi. I really, really do love it. I love going there. Every chance I get, I go to Mississippi and I visit a different town every time I'm going home to Moss Point. And people are really hospitable. I don't care what anybody says. I love Mississippi. Where else in the world can you find Southern fried rabbit and French fried sweet potatoes? Where but Columbia, Mississippi? Delta. I mean, hey, talk about Blues City. I mean, it's great, you know, it's such a rich blues heritage there, you know. And they've got great blues clubs and they have all of these wonderful blues festivals. You know, and B.B. King is from Indianola, Mississippi. And you're in Indianola, Mississippi. Check out the 308 Blues Club and Cafe. You'll love it. I love Mississippi. I love it. I love it. And hospitality. I mean, you just cannot find that anywhere else in the world. You can't find it anywhere else in the world but Mississippi.